So this slide started out as exactly what it says. If you don't pay for home care with documentation, so if you pay under the table, you pay in cash, when it comes time for Medicaid, you will not have a record of where your loved one's payments have gone. So I've seen this happen where an individual is cared for at home for years by an aide from another country. That aide leaves the United States and goes back to their home country. And when the individual goes to apply for Medicaid, Medicaid looks back 5 years at all their financial statements and sees all of this money withdrawn, ATM withdrawals for $1,000, checks to cash, checks to an individual's name, who in Medicaid's eyes doesn't even exist. And it creates major problems for the application. Other problems with having an off-the-book aide is that they're not insured and bonded. So if they slip and fall in your house, you're risking them suing. If they don't show up, there's no one to replace them. So it goes on and on. But the important thing about what I was saying about the segue into the 2-year private pay period, and this is something that I drill into families all the time. Everybody comes in saying, we promised our parents that they would stay at home. And it's a laudable effort, and I understand what they want to do. They're comfortable in their own home. The problem is that families wait too long. So remember, there's a 2-year private pay period in most assisted living facilities. Some have a 3-year private pay period. If you wait until your mom or dad runs out of money, they're at home and they run out of money, then where are they going to go? Well, the only option they'll have at that point is a nursing home, because nursing homes very often don't have private pay periods, or if they do, they're very short. So you've created this plan where mom is going to stay at home, potentially passing away there because it's a home-like atmosphere, and you ended up doing the exact opposite and having to place her in a nursing home, which is an institutional setting. So what we ask people to do is notify us when mom or dad have a certain amount of money left. And then we get on the phone with our clients' family members again and say, okay, this is the point where you have to decide, does mom stay at home or does she move to assisted living? Because if she stays at home much longer, she'll never qualify for Medicaid in assisted living. And if she lives long enough, she may end up in a nursing home.